Learn to spell part 5.
Hey everyone, it's number 5 spelling words. At the end, we are going to open this big guy. It comes with a guy, which is a bullet. And it's 3 up.
Are you going to have fun?
Yes.
Are you ready to start your spelling test?
Yes.
Okay.
So I can open this on the end.
Okay. Well, let's get started. Big. B-I-G. Big. Are you ready?
I got my pencil ready.
Okay. Are you ready for the first word?
Ooh, yeah.
Okay. The first word is big.
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 B-G. Big.
Let me see. Big. Big. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. Ready for the next word?
Yay!
The next word is pig.
I was hoping to say that.
Pig.
P-I-G. Pig.
Pig. Pig. Dig. D-I-G. Dig. Are you ready for the next word?
Yay!
Okay, the next word is dig.
D.
Dig.
Okay. A line up in a circle.
Dig.
I keep forgetting how to write I.
Sometimes that happens. Dig. Dig. Wig. W-I-G. Wig. Are you ready for the next word?
Yeah, I'm ready for my homework.
Okay, next word. Wig.
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 W-I-G. Wig.
Wig. Wig. Fig. F-I-G. Fig. Are you ready for the next word?
Yes.
Fig.
Big.
No.
Fig?
Fig.
Oh. I was about to say fig, but
Yes, fig. 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 4. F-O-R. 4. Are you ready for your next word?
yes.
4.
4. R.
4. 4. 4. With. W-I-T-H. With. Are you ready for the last word?
Oh, just a minute. Okay. Now
Are
I'm
you ready?
Now I'm ready.
The last word is with.
Sorry.
With. With.
Sorry.
With. With. With.
Hey, everyone, we're open calm.
You're going to open up the calm?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's open him up. Do you need some help?
Nah, I got it. Here's the guy. Hey, everyone, this is Kong. I'm gonna feed you. Yeah. Whoa. I'm gonna step on you. Whoa. Ouch. Get back up. Okay, I'm gonna fight you. Ow. Oh. Bullet away. Whoa. I defeated him. Yay. Yay. Yay, yay, yay. I defeated the gorilla. Ow. Got trapped. Thank you for watching my video. I see you next time. Yeah, I'm gonna shoot you. Okay, I'm gonna go give him my gun and shoot you. Okay.